Hello, is Misha Alexander.
Hello, is Mrs. Charlotte.
Agus an dútha sína filmig ag an Fèis Sruighlea is Galway. A sína an an cinloch arst, a torluch ciúil a tína chéile áirín.
Sauna éirín agus alba a han luch ciúil. Higus seach is hí sin déhaid rís.
Finnig sin an díis colin ciúil sin, bhaid scanniú.
Súl déhaid colin ciúil ila go bhí a cloich. By Jira Scunnell. And eis hasin go bhí John Ackle Corey Fergus. She Asian in Canach June Fèis show on an Alba. Tell us a wee bit about the Fèis and what is happening at it.
The last weekend of the festival is out here with workshops with young musicians from the Fèis involved. So we've set up 3 band groups, and each band, which will have a mix of Irish and Scots, will produce a 15-minute piece for a concert.
What's the connection between Scotland and Ireland?
Well, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? We're both Celtic peoples. And in the old days, of course, they didn't talk about Scottish and Irish, they talked about the Gaels, the people that lived in the Gaeltacht, whether they were Scottish or whether they were Irish. You know better than I do, the language is basically the same. Our music has very, very similar. It's different but similar. All our traditions, the Irish are our closest relatives, and they're nice people, and we're delighted to have them here in Scotland.
Atsaha Charlotte Trang a Genevacle of Colliery Fergus, a Michigovia Conichug Colliery Cormac a Erin. Inchgo Rootbeck Moody Ainsa.
Cormac go beaglaoch sanim dom is as corcaghine dom cuasa vodig fehon knop brennen an fihe sé blian díis agus is ceoltóirme.
Cimara how and sash leis.
Tá conírum sa chadamh agus bhí me sem ceol sa chadamh agus churas aithne ar Vic Cruhin a bhín gagrú an féile sa chadamh agus chuir sé ceistrim teachtan sa le I dánt an na ceoltóirí eile chun seacht na chahaf an so Stirling.
She last Boris Levan and Jew. A coitir na Shallian Island a geiste the ceol agus a Kenya Greek Fergus.
Cearst, agus ra I gá chlátálaigh nó ra mé bhíarragáil a Conicha Greek Cormac. Fúf, bha sin. Bhí bheach d'urbhrí a dhéanamh. Tírí.